renewable energy, the future of Dakhla, but also the future of Morocco. As you may know, Morocco has engaged in energy transitions many years ago. The energy mix that Morocco is using now is 30% of our energy usage is coming from renewables, with an objective to move to 50% by 2030.
And I had a wonderful experience here in Dakhla, by extension the Kingdom of Morocco. The people and government of the Bahamas, we wish to convey best wishes on all of your development projects, and we look forward to strengthening bilateral relations as well as exploring possible areas of opportunity in all sectors. Thank you.
And I bring warm greetings on behalf of the government and people of Antigua and Barbuda, and want to extend a thank you to the Wali and, by extension, His Majesty the King of Morocco for this warm reception that we have received here in Dakhla. This is my second visit to Dakhla. I first visited in 2021, and I'm very impressed with the transformation, the ongoing transformation of Dakhla, its infrastructure, and the numerous projects that have been executed thus far. We see areas of collaboration between Dakhla and Antigua and Barbuda, particularly in the areas of agriculture, aquaponics, and also tourism. And we see areas of cross-collaboration between Dakhla and our region. Lastly, I'd like to re-emphasize my government's commitment to Morocco and its support for its territorial integrity. Thank you.
And I'm here especially, to see all the development that the region is having under the leadership of His Majesty the King, Mohammed VI. It's impressive. All the development in many different areas that Dakhla and the whole region is having. President Abinader, the President of the Dominican Republic, has been clear in this regard about the support of the Moroccan plan for the region. And seeing it firsthand, it's clear that Dakhla and the whole region is moving in the right direction.
On behalf of the government and people of St. Lucia, especially our Prime Minister, Honorable Philippe J. Pierre, would like to commend the Kingdom of Morocco for all their initiatives and wish them every success in their future endeavors. Thank you.
الوفد اللي استقبلت اليوم هو وفد من دبلوماسيين من الكاريب و يعني كانت نقاشات حول النموذج التنموي للأقاليم الجنوبية وما عرفه من مستوى إنجاز في الجهة عموما، وكذلك يعني كانت فرصة باش نناقشوا يعني أهم الأوجه الاقتصادية والسياسية والدينامية اللي تعرفها الجهة عموما، ويعني يعبروا عن ارتياحهم وعن انبهارهم حتى من ما عرفته هذه الجهة من تنمية، وخصوصا لما زاروا يعني المشاريع الكبرى المتضمنة في النموذج التنموي للأقاليم الجنوبية. Thank you.